Hello and welcome to Spot On. I'm Sabine from Porsche, and in this video we will have a look at the new My Porsche app.
Check it out.
The My Porsche app keeps you connected to your Porsche vehicle via your smartphone. You can view the current status of your Porsche on the app and set or adjust your vehicle settings. You will also find Porsche-specific information such as news, events and exclusive content. To get the full experience of the My Porsche app, you will need Active Connect services, a registered Porsche ID, a smartphone with the latest operating system, and make sure to have cellular connection. Let's get started. First of all, you need to be logged in with your Porsche ID in your vehicle and in the My Porsche app. On the home screen or vehicle tab, you can see the current status of your Porsche vehicle. The green checkmark indicates that your Porsche is closed and locked, so everything is alright. The connection status next to the vehicle name shows whether the vehicle is currently available for data transfer. If the connection status is red, your vehicle is currently not connected. Some reasons for this may be because your vehicle might be missing cellular network connection, for example when you are in an underground parking garage, or the server may not be currently accessible. Please keep in mind that it can take a few seconds until your current vehicle data is synchronized with the app. Now, by pulling the screen down to refresh, the connection to your Porsche can be updated. You can also start and stop air conditioning immediately, and if you wish, you can also open and close your vehicle via the shortcut on the home screen. On the very bottom, various recommendations are shown. If you prefer, you can also hide these recommendations. When you click on Details, further information and functions are shown. By the way, you can also simply tap on your vehicle. In the overview, you see information like mileage, battery level or trip data. And if you like, you can also directly book an appointment with your authorized Porsche dealer. In the Functions tab, you can use different features depending on your Porsche model. In the Porsche Communication Manager Services section, once you establish a Wi-Fi connection to your vehicle, you can then use applications like Calendar to synchronize calendar entries with your vehicle. I have an important hint for you. If you encounter issues with your vehicle connection, open your iPhone settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and then select the icon next to your vehicle's Wi-Fi network. Afterwards, deactivate the private address setting. In the Map section, you can see where your vehicle is located. If you have more than one Porsche vehicle in your account, you can swipe and select them to see where each of them are located. If you want to find walking directions to your Porsche, we have you covered. All you have to do is click Navigate to Vehicle. You can also search for a destination, select it and send the destination to your Porsche. You can also save your favorite destinations by clicking the star icon. Your favorites will be automatically synchronized with your Porsche. Now let's have a look at Discover. Here you can discover content about the Porsche brand and, for example, sign up for Porsche events. Last but not least, let's have a look at the Account section. In the Account section, you will find everything important about your personal account. You can view and change your personal information, review your messages, request roadside assistance, update settings, view and manage your garage, which includes all vehicles that are added to your Porsche ID, or if you like, add a new vehicle. Now you are well prepared to use the My Porsche app. See you in the next video.